I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I'm taking you on a virtual tour of the stunning beaches of Santorini, Greece. If you're planning a trip to Greece or simply want to experience the beauty of Santorini from the comfort of your own home, then you've come to the right place. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And if you have any questions or comments about the tour, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Santorini is known for its breathtaking beauty, and the beaches are no exception. We'll be exploring some of the most gorgeous beaches on the island, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Our first stop is the famous Red Beach, located in Akrotiri. The beach is named after the red volcanic cliffs that surround it and is one of the most unique beaches in the world.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The sand and pebbles are a deep red color, which makes for a striking contrast against the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea. Next, we're heading to Parissa Beach, which is located on the southeastern coast of Santorini. The beach is well known for its black sand, which is actually made up of volcanic lava fragments. The black sand is said to have healing properties, and many people come to the beach specifically for this reason. I hope you enjoyed the journey and that it has inspired you to visit this stunning island in person. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And as always, leave any questions or comments in the comments section below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.